Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Gusto for workers' compensation basics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Gusto homepage. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the top right corner. Click on this button to create your account. You will be prompted to enter your business email and create a password. Once you've filled in the required fields, click on the Sign Up button. Next, verify your email address by checking your inbox. Open the email from Gusto and click on the verification link. After verifying your email, return to the Gusto login page. Enter your credentials to log back into your account. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Workers' Compensation section. Click on the Get Started button for workers' compensation. You may be asked to provide information about your business structure. Fill in details such as your business name, address, and type. Next, specify your industry and the number of employees. Once you complete this, Gusto will guide you to choose a coverage plan. Review the available options and select the one that fits your needs. You will then enter information about your employees for coverage. Provide each employee's name, role, and salary. After entering the employee information, review the coverage details again. Confirm that everything is accurate before proceeding. Next, you will need to enter your payment information. Fill in the necessary billing details as prompted. Once you've entered your payment information, review and confirm your order. Congratulations, your workers' compensation coverage is now set up with Gusto. You will receive confirmation of your coverage via email. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the Gusto platform to manage your account effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.